Alright everyone, this is Christian Chamberlain coming at you with this week's video of our animal prefab. I decided to go with the red panda. Just a heads up, I did run into a couple issues with this project where I can't get any of the scripts to work for some reason. Every time I upload, and I've reinstalled Unity and Visual Studio multiple times using different versions for each new upload, I still can't get them to work for some reason. So I did what I could so far. I actually was able to make the prefab and I set up some animations. So let's check this out real quick. So right here we have the red panda that I made. A little simple, but still cute in his own way. We have our idle animation right here. So you see he just kind of shakes his head back and forth. Tail moves a little bit as well, right? So super simple, but gets the job done. Then we have an eating animation too. So he goes down and he starts nomming on the floor. Red pandas actually, they mainly eat bamboo, but they have been known to eat bugs, grass, and sometimes small birds, whatever it can get its hands on. We also have a walking animation, just to give it some sort of life and movement. So the head moves, tail moves, and the legs move opposite of each other as well. So that's what I've made so far. That's about it really as far as that side of it goes. So we can hop over here. This is my data template just to kind of show you guys that it's all set up and ready to go. These adorable little red pandas, they are super curious, super friendly. But what's interesting is that they actually live a life of solidarity. They only come together during mating season typically, so most of the time they are alone by themselves in the wild. Another fun fact about these guys is that they are a species all on their own. So before they were lumped in with the raccoon family, but that's not 100% correct anymore. So they actually have their own species name because they are so unique and so different. While they might look like a very adorable raccoon, they still are their own thing, their own classification, which is pretty amazing actually when you really think about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep plugging away at this. I'm going to try and get my code to actually work, the scripts to work, and I can show you guys what's happening to me as well, just so you know I'm telling the truth. So if I open up Visual Studio, when that pops open, everything looks like it's doing okay for a second, and then I get the vicious red lines of death. They appear across my entire program on any scripts, even ones that I just create, brand new ones. Still can't really figure out exactly what's going on with that one, but hopefully soon I can. Okay, so as you can see here down the side, I have this wonderful giant red bar. And for those of you who don't know, in Visual Studio, each one of those red lines is actually where an error is occurring within the code. And if you check out right here, under almost every single thing, it has a red line. Like, it's not actually understanding what is happening. Whenever I try and attach it to Unity, it fails completely, shockingly. So once we try and send it to Unity, this is just one script that's open right now and already has 56 errors. I've uninstalled and reinstalled different versions of Visual Studio and I still can't figure it out. So if any of you guys know what's going on and you can help me out, that would be fantastic. Anyway, besides that, that's about it. So again, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.